Hello everybody, there is Saloni here, and today these students are gonna ask me the questions based upon their experience of making the questions, and here I'll be the answerer and answering their questions whatever they will ask. So let us see how it is. You may continue.
Do you like restaurants?
To be very honest, I don't like.
Why do you like restaurants?
Why do you not like?
Why do you not like restaurants?
I don't like a restaurant. There are several reasons behind it. First, the cost is quite high, which cannot be affordable. Another, that the food which contains a lot of oil and masalas that can harm my health, and it cannot help me to live the healthiest life for the longer period of the timing. Therefore, I don't like restaurant.
Do you like offline games?
Yes, I do like. There there are plenty of games which are played by the people, but a few of the games are there which generally fascinated me. First, Ludo. Ludo is one of the prominent and eminent game which is played indoor by the people. And when I was also a child, that time I played Ludo with my siblings as well as mother. And I was doing the cheating while playing the Ludo. So it was literally one of the funniest game that I have ever played in my life. Or else hide and seek. As you know that this is also the most significant and prominent game which is played by the people, and this is the mostly liked by the children. They hide themselves, and the other people who is a seeker try to seek them wherever they have been hidden. So this is literally one of the best games which I have ever played.
Do you read books?
To be very honest, nowadays I don't read books because I don't get free timing to read books. But I believe that reading books can help you a lot in order to obtain the knowledge, as well as it can boost your thinking power. So a lot of improvement that you will get through reading a books. But I don't know why people they do not take it seriously in order to read a book. But I can recommend all of you that always prefer to read a books, because reading books can not only make you habitual to go through the reading or information, but also it can make you habitual to improve your own cognitive thinking. So it is literally very good.
Do you like to peaceful places?
Yes, I do. There are so many places which are peaceful, which I really attracted by. First, where nobody is there, that is surrounded by the hilly area, nature. I love the nature. So that the peace I always seek, because what happened when we are surrounded by any place where there is the peace, so we people get the another level of the feelings, and it also helps to improve the stress and gives the uh, enthusiasm to at least be energetic for a moment and forget each and everything. So I love peaceful places. As an autophile, I am the autophile, so I love the peaceful places.
Do you like cook food?
Do you like cooking food? Yes, cooking is one of the favorite hobbies of mine that I not always do that, but once in a blue moon I do it when I get timing, or else when I am dabbler of cooking. In that case, I prefer it a lot. But as I am working professional, so hardly I get free timing in order to cook. But cooking can also help me to remove and get rid of my stress, and it can also give me the freshness that can be the mood changing.
Do you believe on God?
If I answer this question genuinely, I do believe, or sometimes I don't believe in, because there are many reasons behind not believing in God. But I can say that God exists, but there is a question that if God exists, then why so many things are happening which gives the evidence that God doesn't exist. So I don't have the clear cut ideas, hence I have not got the experience of it, so I may not answer it properly.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do like few animals, not all. Some animals which can be pet at home, like cows, then buffaloes, and a rabbit, and some birds, whatever it is. So I like them because it is said that in Hindu religion, God means cow is considered as goddess Gomata. So therefore, people they believe that if we pet it, then there is going to be the positivity in our home. Therefore, I like it. So it is the perception of the people or the family where I come from. That is the reason I like animals. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and just keep on practicing like this. Until then, bye bye.